What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about NIO. We're going to talk about what it did today and how it pretty much collectively did nothing. Yes, it was down $1, which was about 2%, but it's gaining it back. And after hours, you can see we're up about 72 cents, so that is a positive. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here. Let's get right into this analysis on NIO. Now, what a day it was on NIO and what a day it was on the overall market. So in the overall market this morning, we were just red. We were blood red this morning on the market. I'll go down to the 15-minute time frame. So we opened up right here on the market. Now, right now, what we're doing is we're trying to uptrend on the market. So we based out right here, pushed up, pulled back, pushed up, pulled back, pushed up, pulled back. So you notice that each time we're uptrending right now. So in the last 5 minutes of close, we just sold off aggressively. I think it was a lot of profit taking and some manipulation to end the month off because this was the last day of the month. And NIO, it sold off this morning with the market. The reason why I'm bringing up the market is because this morning we were selling off right here. Okay, then NIO was doing the same way. We sold off, immediately opened huge down. We opened red. Where do we find buyers at, guys? Right at the bottom of my magical blue zone. We found buyers there, bounced right back up. Then pretty much all we did for the rest of the day, once we hit this highs of $48, we just sold off. So it kind of was disappointing to see, we came all the way out from the graveyard, as you could say, and then we just sold off. A part of this, though, speculation, is just a speculation. A part of this may be because earnings is going to be good and people expect a good reaction, so they're trying to get lower shares. Now, this is just speculation. Doesn't have to be entirely true, but I'm thinking that since we've been selling off like this, it would be a safe bet to say that if they beat earnings, then they could potentially just shoot up. Now, typically, we've seen this a lot with a lot of stocks, that a stock will beat earnings, but then it will sell off. But that's because the stock has already pushed up so much beforehand, so we had the pre-earnings run up. This, though, is different. We had the pre-earnings run down, if you want to call it that. So this scenario with NIO is different. So that's why I'm thinking we could be potentially bullish Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday. Just the whole week bullish if they report good earnings and we get a good reaction from it. Now, currently, what are we doing? What are we focusing on? Right now, we're still trading really horizontal. We fell down this week. We got into this zone right here. And then since then, we haven't been able to push out. That's been pretty much across the whole board. We've been unable to push out. So what I'm looking for going into Monday, this event is going to be very, very different. It's going to be not your normal technical analysis because we have this earnings. We have this event coming, this binary event that's going to affect the stock price. Now, if you're bullish on NIO, though, however, the things that you need to happen is it needs to get above first 48.31. 48.31 is that spot we need to get above. Right now, we're in a clear downtrend. We're in a clear downtrend. NIO has lost a lot of its value since all the way, early February. So it's been a rough half of the month, right, for everyone in NIO. So we tried to push up here. We fell down a couple days ago, and today we just pretty much did a whole lot of nothing. So it's been rough for NIO, but I would like to note this floor right here is holding. This floor at 44.73 is holding nicely. We tagged it this morning, bounced right back up. So you know that this is going to be a strong area. Now, from the looks of it, though, NIO, what I'm going to be looking at is the break above this area, 48.31. Now, once we get above 48.31, I'm not going to be on the bullish train entirely until really we can close above this area right here. So $53. If we can close above that, then I'll be more on the bullish train. But currently right now, we're in a clear downtrend. But as I mentioned earlier, we're going to have a binary event that's going to happen. So either way, we're going to see it push up or it's going to push down aggressively. But expect a lot of volatility in this upcoming week just because earnings is on Monday. Now, once earnings is over with, then the volatility will die down, hopefully. And then maybe, if the market permits, we'll start returning to some normal levels. However, the market's been on this downtrend. So look at the market right here. February 10th was when NIO started its downtrend. So February 10th was back here. February 10th or 12th, we'll say it right there. So it's pretty much actually following the market right now. So we started the downtrend on the market. It actually kind of looks identical here. See? Tried to push up on the market, tried to push up, fell down. So it's really following the market. So you need the market to base out now as well. Now, this is a very strong level right here. It's bounced before on the market, so hopefully this is a very strong level in NIO. NIO will do the same, and then we can see and get back on that bullish train. Overall, though, I will be looking out for the earnings event. I will be covering that. So thank you for watching the video, and if you haven't subscribed, be sure to, because I'm going to come out with a bunch of NIO videos that are going to cover earnings. So thank you for your time here. Appreciate all of the patience. I know it's been a hard month, but guess what, guys? It's finally over, or at least for trading. We have still a couple more days in February, but it's going to be finally over starting Monday. Fresh start. Clear your mind, guys. Just don't bring any of the baggage or mentality that you had at the end of February, because that's going to mess with your trading. Start fresh. Whatever money you have left and what you're dealing with, focus on that. Don't focus on what you had. Focus on what you can do with your money right now. Thank you for being here, guys. Appreciate all the support, and I will see you guys in the next video.